Hello guys, so we just left Evening Spring. So now we are heading towards Jungle Camp Backwater Resort. That will take from Marikere. It will take around 45 minutes. So we'll stay tonight on that resort. We'll cover the resort. We'll show everything on that resort. So stay tuned guys and enjoy our video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe our channel. Hey guys, we are heading towards Jungle Camp Resort, Backwater Resort. So it's been, I think, it's showing 6 minutes till now. So you can see the nearby places, everything is jungle, and we got a signboard that there are wildlife. So these are jungle actually, and stay tuned. So stay with us. We'll give you all the details regarding Jungle Camp Backwater Resort. Hey guys, we reached Coorg Jungle Camp. So the right side you can see, that's the entry. Otano. We are just entering into Coorg Jungle Camp. The straight is the parking, that's the parking area. This is the parking area. Hey guys, we just checked in. The room is not ready yet. It's 12:30. The 1 o'clock was the time, but we reached a bit of early. This is the jungle camp, and we are just roaming around here and there until the room is ready. This is the backwater. Should not be a river, it should be a lake, I think. The place is closed. I think this is the park they have. The view is really good, the water, and they have this park inside this resort. It's really good. This looks good. I think that side is the restaurant. That's the stay. I think that side the rooms are there, that way. This is our stay tonight. Thank you. This is the balcony. Arang you don't. Arang you can. Oh, okay. Here's the coffee plantation. Hey guys, the room is really nice and the view from the balcony is really awesome. You can see the view. That's the backwater, and there you see coffee plantation, and here is the sitting area. There's the sitting area. There's the sofa. This is sofa cum bed, I think. And from this side you can see the parking area. Come. Hey guys, we came for for lunch. This is the view from restaurant. The view is really awesome. It's so calm. The water is really calm. The main restaurant is that side, but you can have your lunch here. Water lily. Hey guys, this is evening. We're enjoying a lot. We went to that tea plantation you just saw. I'm thinking to upload it to another video because it's a bit lengthy and you guys will enjoy that. So I'm just thinking, let me see if I can cover it within this video. I'll definitely do that. This is in front of the swimming pool.